there's another thing to consider. So we have the main page, we have the custom pages, and we also have some layout pages. So basically all these stores and products, services and booking, blog and posts, video, contact and partners, price plans. These are layout pages. So if I go to my product page, I can control the layout of my predefined product pages. So I can choose where to have my title, I can choose where to have my images, I can choose how to display the images, if it's a gallery or carousel. I can choose to display or not display the options, the additional information sections, descriptions, so on and so forth, and even things such as SKUs and comments. So I'm going to reset this, and basically you can do this for every predefined page that is inside the Max Media System Builder.